I blew this 60 balloons for the results. Let's do a countdown. To go with this outfit, it's I felt.
Though I am not a food blogger. Now get started.
Hi Muffins, this is Miss Muffin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just woke up from sleep and I know it's very much visible from my face and voice. Like my face is so swollen. Anyways, so let's go and start the day.
1, 2, 3.
So if you have seen my last vlog, then you know that I surprised my boyfriend at 12 a.m. on his birthday, and I blew this 60 balloons and I made this gate and decoration for him. And this is the continuation vlog. Like I have planned to take him on a dinner date today. Okay, so I decided to go for a haircut now because I felt that my hair needed a lot of trimming. It has become really dry, and also there is a lot of hair fall that I'm suffering from. So I went there, I showed them one Pinteresty picture, and I am so amazed to see the results. So are you guys ready for the results? Let's do a countdown and I'll be revealing you. So 3, 2 and 1. Here we go.
रुको जरा.
Hi guys, I'm back from the salon and this is how my hair is looking. I love the lace. I know it has become too short, but this trimming was really necessary. I am fully ready for my dinner date. So now I will quickly go freshen up myself and have my lunch, and then I am showing you the outfit that what I'm going to wear. It's still not decided yet. So I will be selecting my outfit right now. But I'm a little confused between, like, this is very cute and this is pretty. This feels like a Barbie, you know, it gives that doll vibe. Is this one? This is more stylish, I feel. It has doobie strap. Yeah, help me choose one. Okay, so I decided to go with this outfit. The reason why is this outfit is gifted to me by Vikram only on my previous birthday. So I guess he will be happy seeing me in this. I got this new pair of wedges. These are from Catwalk. ये offer पे चल रही थी that because festive season is coming, Navratri and Durga Puja and all. So I got this very very pretty wedges. So I'll wear this. So let's quickly get ready and चलते हैं क्योंकि बहुत देर हो चुकी है already. So finally here we are at Novotel for our dinner date. The ambience was so calm and coy. I truly loved this decoration of flowers, and this gentleman was playing some piano, and everything over here was so calm and composed, and honestly it was very romantic. And yes, there he is. There was some shooting going on over here. Thought to just go around and check the menu, and when I saw this pizza I felt so excited. So this is my first plate, that's the starters. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Firstly, thanks a lot for this
Treat.
night. And this one is one of my favorite. It's a fish preparation basically. I'll dip into this with the muscle. Though I'm not a food blogger, but still I'm trying. Though I'm not a healthy person at all, but still trying to be rich.
I got my favorite pizza. I can't tell you guys how tasty this pizza is. I have tried this before also. I will dive in right now. Noodles. This is red chicken.
Don't have that.
Indians after,
Not Indians, particularly
particularly Bengalis after trying all the other cuisines of the world, will come back to fish and rice. I'll just have this welcome juice. The reason why I always save my stomach area or space, whatever you call it as, is for desserts. That's why my name also stands for. So let's go. These are so cute. Favorite section. Also, these are so cute. These are so pretty. A lot of calories in a plate. Birthday also. Not a fan of Indian sweets. Please don't unsubscribe me for this. This is not high.
Seriously,
Yes.
this much mud pie brownie.
These are?
Oh, these are kind of Indian.
No, these are not
Gum.
Indian. These are no. I guess these are for ice cream toppings.
Right.
This is his dish. This is mine. And we are poles apart when it comes to food choices.
Are
So everything is done. We are out of Novotel, but we have planned for a movie. Not me. He has planned for a movie. There is one movie called Coolie, जो कि अब चल रहा है बहुत, मतलब रजनीकांत सर की. We are going there, but there is a tragedy that has happened to me already. These are my new wedges and I'm already having blisters. So I can't walk, but still I need to go because beauty is pain somewhere. So let's go.
India's number one. Now get started.
We literally rushed through Novotel to this theatre.